In this video, I'm going to talk about why branding your channel can make a huge difference in attracting the right subscribers. Building a brand helps create a strong connection with your fans and supporters, deepening the know, like and trust factor. But what exactly is a brand, and can you apply it to your YouTube channel? A brand is not about just your colours or a logo or even your strapline. It goes way beyond that. Ultimately, a brand is your promise and your identity, which basically can be made up of a combination of various factors, such as your reputation or your uniqueness or a number of others. There's a few key things that contribute to building your brand strength, which we're going to explore a little later in this video. But having a clear branding incorporated into your YouTube channel will not only help fast track your channel growth, but will build your brand trust and credibility. Your YouTube brand is about having a clear understanding of your core brand identity or brand essence. By understanding your brand promise, what it stands for, and your customers' needs, you can then effectively communicate your promise through all your videos, visuals, and messaging and many other areas. Wait, what exactly is your core brand identity, I hear you ask? Well, basically your brand is a promise which rests upon a set of values or beliefs, and together this forms a core brand identity. And on top of that, you have your brand personality and visual aesthetic. All of these elements come together to form your total brand identity. And it might not seem important to focus on building a brand for your channel at the moment, but building your brand can be truly the power behind your YouTube channel success, especially when you're starting or relaunching your channel.